Hi there, I just thought I'd show my Tahitian butternut squash, or Tahitian squash soup, I guess. This is the first time I've made it, and it's a little thin. That's probably because I probably could have used less. I think I used 6 cups of chicken broth in 2.5 pounds of squash and 1 onion. That's all that went into it, and then some seasonings, and I did it in the power pressure cooker, the Costco one. It's not the power pot, it's the power pressure cooker. But anyway, and then all it had extra, it had 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, salt and pepper to taste, and some, I think it was 1/4 of a spoon of cinnamon and 1/4 of a spoon of nutmeg. And that's it. So 2.5 pounds of squash cubed, and 1 large onion, and it tastes really good. And it was already sweet without the maple syrup. Maple syrup didn't probably wasn't necessary, but then it may give it a little bit of a different taste. Anyway, I'm quite pleased with it. It's just that I'm coming back for my second bowl. So if I'm coming back for a second bowl, you know it's tasty. Anyway, so that was all, just to show you. I'm just showing you the finished result, but that's because it was successful, and I didn't remember to do it while I was making it. But this power pot does it pretty quick, 10 minutes. And it has that squash from really hard to very, very soft. And then I just put it through the blender, and then I ran it through a sieve, and there wasn't really any lumps anyway. Pretty much all of it went through that sieve. It's not the finest sieve, but anyway, that's all. Tahitian squash soup. And this is based on somebody else's recipe. I say it's got squash and onions and whatever else you want to put in it. No carrots, no celery, and it tastes really good. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.